Well, friends, we're going to be going out to the park today, and with us, we're going to be taking the drone. We're going to have some fun and do some math, and I'm going to need your help today, so see you in just a bit. The bunny doesn't want to wake up this morning either. Say hi, Ross. Oh, and there's Demelza over there. Say hi, Demelza. Hello. Hey, Ross. Say hi, Demelza. Hello. I don't think you guys want to fly the drone today, do you? No, you just want to sleep? Okay, fine.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine?
Off to the park.
It's a neighborly day in this beauty woods, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine?
Roger, we have a problem. Our problem is a road. You see that? They decided to run the sprinklers today, so we're going to try to dodge those while we are flying our drone, which is definitely not waterproof. We'll see how this goes. All right, now the fun begins. Here we go. And we are ready to take off. Here's an interesting fact. Inventor Nikola Tesla first introduced radio control technology in 1898, over 100 years ago, and now it is used in drones today. Drones are also called UAVs, which means unmanned aerial vehicle, and are remotely controlled by a pilot. Drones can hover like a hummingbird, swoop around obstacles like a bat, and fly backwards like a dragonfly. The drone's camera works on a gimbal, which is a support that pivots, allowing the camera to rotate and stay steady. Here we go. Turlock, California. Welcome to Mr. Hargis' neighborhood. No, your teacher does not actually live at Woodrow. Altitude is 151 feet here. Altitude means the height of the drone in relation to the ground. $151 feet is like taking 15 of our classrooms and stacking them on top of each other. As you can see, we're higher than anything else in the city of Turlock. Ascend means to go up in altitude or to move upward. We're going up now. You can see over there, we are looking west now. You can see the Coastal Range Mountains. Beyond the Coastal Range Mountains is the city of San Jose and the coast. Our altitude is now 151 feet plus 248 feet. We have went 248 feet up. How high is the drone now? Comment your answer below. we are looking towards California State University Stanislaus, just down the street from my house. In this direction is San Francisco. We're now looking north, and if you drove north, you would come to the city of Modesto. Now, the mountains that you see over in this direction are the Sierra Nevada mountains. Yosemite is about this direction. Now we're looking south towards Los Angeles. And this is the city of Turlock. Descend means to drop in altitude or to move downward. We're going down now. Alright, that was fun. We gotta go really high in the sky, and it's a beautiful day today. So look forward to seeing you guys in just a bit. We're gonna do some cool math with the altitudes that we achieved with our drone this morning. So